Hello everyone. In this video, I would like to show you how to mute and unmute audio in your Zoom meeting. And now, I open my meeting, then go to new meeting. And there you can see started a new meeting. So now it's started, you can see your Zoom meeting already is starting. If you want to mute your audio, then what should you do? You just need to go on the corner. And there have option microphone, and there have option mute. Just press here. Then your Zoom meeting audio already muted. You can also use the Alt plus a keyboard shortcut to mute and subsequently unmute your mic. And if you want to unmute this Zoom meeting, then what should you do again? Press here. Then your audio already unmute. Thanks watching this video.